Hey, this is Hunter, and I have 5 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy packs to open right now. Alright. Scramble, scramble. Nice. Alright, next pack. Oh, fuck.
Sorry for the shaking of the camera. I'm a dumbass.
And my dick's huge. Hey, dog. Okay.
I feel the Draco stack in this one.
I do too. Totem bird.
I hate you. I might
That's
just kill
cool.
you. Might just have to take off. Maybe.
Alright. Coins.
Yeah, I pull a mind ring and he pulls a...
If I pulled a Draco sack, I would just like rip my pants off and you'd have to suck my dick, cause
penetrate the camera.
Penetrate the camera. Alright.
Oh, nice. You got the one thing that I had. Yeah. In the exact order. Damn, I'm gonna trade for that.
Constellar Omega. Hello. Nice.
I'm gonna trade for that, dude.
Good pulls so far.
Obviously. 3 hollows and 3 packs.
Yeah, I like to say I'm kind of a master. I'm just kidding. I'll pull bitches. Alright. Our second to last pack.
I might just kill you. Seriously.
Number 69, Herald Dry Crest, and no hollow in this pack.
Thank God.
Alright, our last pack. Hopefully.
I don't feel a Draco Psych in this one.
I actually do, because it's really heavy. It's like 8 pounds.
Okay, I'm trading for your Constellar Omega.
It's cool. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we get a hollow. I hope that we do. Hope to God.
Open it faster. I want to see the Draco Psych. That's not there. Yes!
Fuck. Alright, well.
Oh, baby dragon.
Oh.
Baby dragon.
Nice. Burner, Dragon Ruler of Sparks. Cool.
And you got the other baby dragon too. Yeah.
Alright. See you, YouTube.